Okay, greetings. Let me make me a little bit bigger here in the corner, and then, of course, I will punch out completely. Welcome to Physics 2, Physics 220. Since we already know each other, at least 95% of us do. I think I have one or two new people coming in. We'll, of course, go over the syllabus and all that stuff on Wednesday in class to start. But I also wanted to add about 25 to 30 minutes of the opening of Chapter 18 so you can look at what to expect, okay? We're going to start, we always start in Physics 2 with electricity and magnetism. Some of you that have had chemistry or even physics before. In high school, you usually don't get this far. If you had the AP2, I guess, you got this far. But most high school physics classes kind of stop at thermodynamics. They don't, they cover the mechanics, the dynamic, rotational dynamics, waves, sound, that kind of stuff. They might get to sound, and then that's about as far as they get. So this is new for most of you. And it is a little bit tricky, but it's really not all that hard to keep straight. So the main thing to know is that electricity is quantized. There's a certain amount of electricity in the air. It's conserved. Charge is conserved. And that's the way we do things, okay? Is we have positive and negative charges, and how do they act? What do they do? What are their properties? One, they create fields around themselves, all right? And just like a gravitational field, which you're very familiar with, y'all are very familiar with a gravitational field, right? If I take this pen, you know, take this pen, take this pen. I forget I have to do everything opposite. If I take this pen and drop it, take this pen. How many times are you going to say that, moron? All right, anyway, and drop it. Boom, it's in we're all in a gravitational field, so we're all being pulled to the middle of the earth. That's why we can do things. That's why I can set this pen down right here. Now I don't have to worry about it floating up and bonking me in the head like if I was on Skylab or something. Well, Skylab crashed to the ground 20 years ago, so it's not Skylab or Mir. So that's what we're doing. All right, and it's fun stuff. And so there's your intro to it, and let's get started. Oops, there we go.